Hey everybody, in the last video we have learned about section 19 and section 20 and I'm here today with section 21 and section 22 of Hindu Marriage Act. So let's get started with it. Okay, section 21A of Hindu Marriage Act 1955, it talks about the power to transfer petitions in certain cases. See, we'll understand this in just 2 points. First point, that is, if the same petitions are filed in the same district court, then both the petitions would be heard at the same time. Okay. And secondly, if the same petitions, they are been presented to different district courts, then what could be done? The petition which is presented later, it shall be transferred to the district court in which the earlier petition was presented. And both the petitions shall be heard and disposed of together by the district court in which the earlier petition was presented. Moving forward with section 21B, which talks about the special provisions which are relating to the trial and disposal of petition under the Act. See, under this section, the trial of the petition would be conducted in respect of the interest of justice and reasons would also be recorded accordingly. They would conclude the trial in 6 months. The next section is 21C, which talks about the documentary evidence. See, I'll make it simple for you to understand. Basically, the documents which are presented, it must not be inadmissible and duly registered and stamped, which will not be acceptable in the court of law. Okay, so this is all about section 21 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Clear? Now we'll proceed with section 22. Let's see what 22 says. It says proceedings to be in the camera and it may not be printed and published. See, it means the proceedings which are held in the camera will not be printed or published in any of the journals or in any of the websites. Okay, and if anyone contravenes this provision, then they shall be fined up to 1000 rupees. This is what section 22 says. And yeah, one more point regarding this. The judgment of the High Court of the Supreme Court must be printed or published with the permission of the previous court. Clear? Okay. So this is all about section 22 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. I hope you all must be clear with the section 19, section 20, section 21 and section 22 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Now we'll have a quick revision regarding all this section. So what does section 19 say? Yes, anyone? Correct. So section 19 is regarding where the petition shall be presented or to which court the petition shall be presented. Section 20 is about the contents and the verification of the petitions, right? 21A is about the power to transfer the petition in certain cases. Then section 21B is regarding special provisions relating to the trial and the disposal of the petition under the Act. Section 21C is regarding the documentary evidence. And what is section 22 about? I gave you the hint, remember? Camera, correct. Section 22 is regarding the proceedings to be held in the camera, which should not be published or printed. However, if you have any query or any doubt regarding these sections, you may comment in the comment box given below. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.